Okay friends, so in this video I am going to make your binary options trading career extremely simple and profitable. You may have heard previously about support and resistance and already ignored those things and have equipped yourself with complicated indicators and strategy, due to which you are taking wrong decision. You are getting confused by the indication that indicators are giving you and making loss continuously. Okay, and if that's happening to you, then watch this video carefully, because from today your trades are going to become profitable by using this simple price action strategy, support and resistance. And I'm going to show you the power of support and resistance in this video. Okay, but firstly I'll explain you each and everything properly so that you can understand how you need to trade. Okay, it is extremely simple, even a kid will understand it, so you'll definitely understand it and can use it to start to make profitable trades from today. So but if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options, especially inside pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. I give their signals. Okay, and if you want to copy my trades directly, then the instructions are given inside the free Telegram channel. You can watch that and copy my trades directly also. Okay, if you want. So let's not waste any of our time and get into our core strategy. So first thing, make all of this currency pair favorite by making this L, okay, in this way, so that you can easily navigate this currency pair. And then make this candlestick 5-second, okay, time frame. So all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now you can make trade on 1-minute candle, 5-minute candle, 15-second candle. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, but I'm going to select 5-second candlestick for this strategy. And then your trading time frame, you can select S30, S20. Okay, it is your choice. So I'll be selecting S30. Okay, that means all of my trading will be closed on the 30-second time frame. Now once you do this much, then you can see here simply with your bare eyes, you don't need to use any indicator. Okay, this level is resistance, this level is support, and what market is doing is it is coming back, going up, coming back, going up. Right now again it is coming back. Okay, from this area you can easily make trade by clicking on higher and can expect to be right. Okay, in simple words. Okay, so now let's see in another currency pair. So here you can see this is a area where a support is, and as you can see it have started to bounce back from this support area, and most probably it should reach to this area or it will break out from here. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then you can make trade by clicking on lower, and if it starts to go up, then again you can make trade by clicking on higher. So here you can take a risk and make trade by clicking on higher, okay, and expect to be right. But if the breakout happens, then this trade may go wrong also. Okay, so let's see what happens in these trades and we will continue. So we have 19 seconds remaining. Here you can see it have started to bounce a little bit back from the area, this support area. Okay, now we have 12 seconds remaining. Now not all of your trades are going to go right. Okay, some of your trades will definitely go wrong and you should accept it from the start. But if you start to use these kind of levels to make trade, then you are definitely going to make profit in long term. So now let's see in another currency pair. So here you can see here is the support area and here is the resistance area, right? So whenever market comes to this level, you can make trade by clicking on higher, or if you think this can break out, then wait for some time. Like if it is trying to be, again it went up, see. So this is little bit confusing, but you need to take the risk at here, okay, by making trade by clicking on higher. Okay, here you can see market is trying to go up. So if you are not feeling confident, okay, from inside, then don't make any trade. Right now I'm not feeling confident where the market will go, so I didn't make any trade at here. So here you can see a breakout is happening, so you can take risk and make trade by clicking on lower, okay, and see what happens. So I believe this is a breakout, okay, because it have already breaked out from this support area, but again it have started to move up. See, this kind of things happen while you are making trade. Okay, so you need to accept things that you may suffer loss in some cases. Okay, so we have 7 seconds remaining, 6, 5. So let's see. Yes, definitely we are going to make loss. I think yes, we made loss in this trade. Okay, no matter who. Let's see in another currency pair. So if you make loss in a particular currency pair, then do not make any trade in that. Okay, because you may again and again make loss in that currency pair. Okay, so that's why it is better to ignore. So here you can see market is falling down, right? And here is the resistance area. In simple, bare eyes, this is the resistance area and this is the support area, and there is no any clarity. Okay, so don't make trade in this kind of market also. So similarly here you can see this is the support area and this is the resistance area. Okay, so here you can see, so you can take risk and make trade by clicking on higher anywhere from this point. Okay, and you can expect to be right, but again market can change any time. So and this is also not a clear, you need a clear type of support and resistance, that trade that we made previously. Okay, if you get that kind of market, then it is absolutely best. So this is confusing market, but still here you can see this is the support area. Okay, and this is the resistance area. Here you can see, and here you can see here is one support. Okay, and it is hovering in this support but not getting maximum amount of uptrend or downtrend. But as you can see, we also need to think about our trading time frame. Okay, this kind of short candles will make us loss. Okay, we need this kind of market, okay, to make profitable trades with 5-second candlestick and 30-second time frame, trading time frame. Okay, so let's see in another. So here is nothing, here is a support area. Okay, and here is a resistance. Okay, at this level, so we can take risk and make trade by clicking on higher, and let's see, I hope the market will go up to this level, I guess, but let's see what happens in this trade. So because market had started to move up, that's why I took risk and made a trade by clicking on higher. As you can see here, my prediction is going good at this point. Okay, but let's see, anything can go wrong at any time. So let's see here, 4 seconds. Yeah, at the last hour we got our trade wrong. Okay, so no matter what, let's see in another currency pair, but this was a good market, you know. Let's see, here is the support area. Okay, this is the support area and this is the resistance area. You can take risk at here. Okay, so let this market come, I'll definitely take risk at here. Okay, let it come. Okay, I'm making trade by clicking on higher at this point because I know this is a support area. So let's see what happens in this trade. We have 18 seconds remaining. 11 seconds remaining. See how beautifully it is going up. We can definitely make profit in this trade. As you can see, this is the simple way to use support and resistance to make trade. People are even using this support and resistance to provide signals in their Telegram channel. I have seen lots of this kind of Telegram channel where people are using this kind of support and resistance to provide signal. As you can see here, this is the resistance, this is the support, and here a breakout have happened. Now you can take risk and make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, but I will not take risk at this point because I feel that market will again go up to this level. Okay, but you can definitely take risk. Okay, you need to practice this kind of thing, okay, again and again, and you will be perfect on making trade by using support and resistance. So here you can see, so it is a little bit confusing, but this is a support area and this is a resistance area. Okay, but this is a little bit confusing, don't trade on that kind of market. So here you can see, here is a clear support at here and here is a clear resistance. Okay, so whenever market comes to this area, then you can easily make trade by clicking on higher and expect to be right, but again anything can go wrong, so be prepared for that also. So let this market come up to this level and I'm going to make trade by clicking on higher, and let's see what happens in this trade. So now market can also break out from this place also. Okay, as you can see here, it is trying to break out. Okay, but let's see what happens. Our time is 11 seconds remaining. Okay, it went up, again came down. So this is trying to consolidate at here and we are going to make loss, I think. Yes, we made loss, but as you can see here, again it went up, right? So these things happen. So let's see, So this is the resistance area and this is the support area, okay, and market is trying to come back to support, but it is a falling market, so you need to always make trade by clicking on lower, okay, by whenever the market touches this kind of resistance area. Okay, you can draw a line at here, but I don't need to draw it because I can clearly see it. Okay, so you can make trade by clicking on lower by taking risk, okay, by assuming this is the resistance area. Okay, so the more upward you can make trade, that is more better. Okay, so let's see what happens in this trade, but it is continuously moving up. So now it has even touched this high. Okay, so you can even take a risk and make trade by clicking on lower if your one trade is going wrong from this level. Okay, so let's make another trade from there. Okay, and let's see what happens in this trade. Most probably this trade should go right. Okay, but if it start to move off from here also, then that is called breakout. Okay, and you should think of making trade by clicking on higher in such case. So let's see how much time we have. 6 seconds. 1 second, and we made loss or profit. We made profit in that trade. Okay, but it was totally risky. So I'm just trading randomly and showing you so that you can understand properly what's going on. Okay, so here you can see this is the support area and this is the resistance area, but candles are too few. Okay, so if you make trade by clicking on higher or lower in this kind of small market, then you may suffer losses. Okay, because your closing time is 30 seconds. Okay, yeah, this is also, you can assume that this is a support and this is a resistance. Okay, and but candles are so few, you should not make any trade at this condition. Also here you can see this, you can assume that this is the support area. Okay, and this is the resistance area, like at here. Okay, but it didn't move up to here, it breaked out from here. So this was the resistance area. Okay, and this was the support area, and it moved up in the upward direction and moved below in the, made a lower low and higher high. Okay, that's why you should not make trade in these kind of conditions too. So now there are not much profitable trades that I was able to make by using support and resistance, but you understood the concept and you can use this exact strategy, test it properly in your demo account and start to use in your real account. Okay, by seeing the charts with your bare eyes. Okay, and you can start to make profitable trades if you focus completely in this strategy only and ignore every other thing. Okay, so friends, do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.